Hi, good afternoon. This is Alex from Internet Real Secret. I just want to do a quick review and learn more of this cloud app. It's mainly is targeting on the Facebook traffic, right? So this is called Tantam.social. Tantam.social is basically this is an app. It can actually help you to post a video to the Facebook post, right? And all the this video messages, Facebook video messenger using a personalized automated videos message. Sell video messenger can pick the client for big buck. Okay, so you can sell it to client or can keep this for your own use. So this is basically the sales page here. So we have created some mind blowing to help you see. So this is let's scroll now and have a look on the send to messenger Facebook app have the equivalent of 100% conversion. So as you know, Facebook is one of the main and the key social medias that give you a lot of targeted traffic. You can get a lot of high quality lead from the Facebook. That is something we can't deny, right? So love become fans so they can get discount. People in Facebook they look for discount, buy thing and get further updates, stay informed, right? So virtual messages are the basic simple messages on Facebook. So it's this app basically is to help you to ease simplify all these video messaging marketing app. It's a video messaging marketing app, right? They help you to actually to create the message to and with all the contents and also schedule the message and also post a message inside from the app itself, right? Also connected to these Facebook messages, right? Okay, so this is basically how it works. Okay, so let's quickly also I bring you to the pre-record demo video. I can actually explain to you in a better way, right? Okay, so here you log in. This is the Tantam.social, right? So on the top here is a setting text to speech, right? Okay, so first thing first, you can see this is the how it works. There's a post composer inside the app. It allows you to create and send messages. The carousels app pause, send to messenger video app pause, and send to messenger image app also, right? Okay, so you can even do an image app. Advertisements sending. Okay, so here is how easily can create a post, something like that. So you can description everything, right? So you can send to post to the Facebook, and you can even also set the comments with the bot, right? Okay, so when people comment on your post, maybe you can actually set the auto comment back, reply to the comment. In this way, you actually you will not do sale did, right? Okay, first time ever you comment a post and get a comment reply, and at the same time get a follow message sent to your Facebook inbox for further engagement. Okay, so you can see the inbox here, right? Okay, comment on the post. Okay, so you can see, um, right? So you can actually do a follow up very easily. Okay, so this is how you can be set inside the app itself. Right? You don't have to actually go inside your post and look for the post and actually to check every comment and reply because it's auto reply feature, right? Okay, so you can even also trigger to this email, right? Okay, right. So this is one of these how easy is that, right? Okay, so you can even do a text to speech, right, inside here, inside this app itself, right? Okay, uh, the text to speech convert to speech, right? So the speech you can use it to for many ways, right? Okay, so you can download the speech or you can actually use the speech to actually to make a video. So there's a broadcast report also. Broadcaster is something is like can create your video message, voice message, audio message, everything can be done here. Okay, so you can actually copy paste any videos, Facebook URL here also, tag any URL and just paste it inside here. Okay, then you can actually choose the subscriber tag. Okay, so from here you can actually post it. You can post it to the messages, right? Okay, so this is I think you never see this before. You can actually post message to this in the video format. So this is basically how it did, right? Okay, how it actually manage the different interaction, right? From when they actually create a post, right? They can create a video post, call to action video post, image post also, right? Okay, then you can actually post it to this the Facebook account, the timeline, the Facebook timeline, and when people comment on the post, you can actually set the auto reply on top of that, and that auto reply also will be actually auto send a auto reply to your Facebook inbox, so you can actually look at your Facebook inbox. They see there is a message coming in, so you can actually follow up, use a Facebook inbox to follow up with the person who is interacting in your post. So this is basically how it do. Okay, so then basically let me take you to this my reviews post about 10 times. So this I'm giving this app 10 9.5 over 10, right? So the pro is it send video, message, SMS, and email also, right? Okay, so it can actually trigger SMS and email inside this 10xSocial also. If you see on the left hand side window just now, there's a SMS and email also. So there are so many ways you can interacting, engaging your prospect. Right? Most advanced and effective text-to-speech tools for marketing. It ensures you never lose your lead again. Be secure and run survey on complete autopilot. Right? So this is a 10xSocial. Skyrocket traffic, collect phone number and email inside Facebook Messenger using personalized automated video messages. Right? So this is how it do. It can actually collect phone number and also email inside the Facebook also. Sell video messenger copy to client from VidSpark and get front on the traffic lead. Okay, so the front end is a 47 upsell. Neil Napier is this creator of this software. 10xSocial is a marketing app combine the power of video, SMS, and email to get more 10 times more deep sales and result. They have been many basic messenger app did this in the past, but nothing go across the niche, right? Okay, so this is front end. Have a one time for 220,000 lead also. You can also support for 20,000 lead, or this one is a personal video message inside. Okay, so the front end is access to the powerful 10xSocial app and training module. Send personal video message inside Facebook. Broadcast video, broadcaster, there's a broadcaster, okay, broadcast videos and voice and audio also, right? Okay, so the broadcast the video, you can actually assisting any video to the broadcast, right? Okay, just now I demo to you test to speak. There's a TTS tools viewing comment guide, right? They will actually look at a comment and auto reply the post composer chart region also, right? Upsell one unlimited lead, unlimited campaigns. Personally, I will actually suggest you to pick up the front end and also the unlimited upsell one. Okay, upsell two also 67 yearly, right? Okay, agency license, and here are some of the key benefits you may be interested in getting. So this is a send video message, SMS, and email convert to text to speech, right? Everything you can get this, so you only one time cost of 37 and auto 47. Okay, 47 is the difference here is send personal video inside Facebook. Okay, so this is a 20. This 20 for 20,000 lead. Okay, so there is a difference here, right? Okay, so ready to crash it with 10xSocial. Yes, so there are some key points I highlighted here also. It enables business to warm the lead by scheduling follow-up SMS, email, and messenger. Right? When the lead comment the post, when you do a post on your Facebook, when people comment it, you can actually follow up using SMS, email, and message to their inbox on complete autopilot. So this process autopilot, you don't have to monitor it. You can actually configure all this to be auto reply to their comment. You use SMS message, you need to follow up with the lead, right? Okay, so you ensure you never lose your lead again on Facebook. You told your Facebook persona for creating customer service bot, enable business to create and run survey on autopilot. Great tool for publishing, right? So these are some of the key features. Send broadcast message, video, audio, voice, image. Okay, so this survey message also schedule send forward. We just want to click schedule send forward email also. Text to speak converted in any language. Right? Good. Chatbot AI deploy to contact who message you on your phone or email leading chat also. Post composer, the most powerful Facebook list building and traffic post creator. Okay, so these are some command guide chart. Okay, it's a lot of features here. Post Pioneer, you can find the post which is the famous post also, and you can actually reuse it. Easily connect with any other major auto exporter, share to other Facebook group. Okay, so let's show the Facebook Messenger marketing has time to active time better engagement, right? So you can see here. So this has a demo video also. Okay, so the first ever video messages app in the market, right? Okay, so if this is something then actually favor you for this Facebook marketing, then this will be the one you should be considering, right? So I prepared a couple of handpicked social bonuses. So here below is exclusive 10 social bonuses tailored to get your best result with 10 social. So first thing is I have prepared exclusive video tutorial how to make money with 10 social, right? Also, this is a social traffic rush. This is about a tutorial or how the courses how to actually get a rush of targeted traffic from social media, which including Facebook also, Twitter, and a couple of really famous like YouTube, very famous social traffic. Social media automation actually is a course. It's a training how to actually teach you how to automate all these social media engagement. So this is really fit to this Tantam social app, right? Because by using this course, you're going to learn more about how can automate the social media engagement. This is exactly how what this Tantam social is doing, right? So one is how to generate income with social media. So this information actually give you a lot of tips, insight how you can actually generate income from social media, right? Okay, there's a can get a lot of traffic, especially for Facebook, YouTube, and also Instagram. These are the three main key traffic target traffic sources, right? We should leverage. Okay, I have very special bonus on Facebook profile, right? This is very exclusive bonuses. It's a guide, a guide with a comprehensive step. It teaches you how to actually enhance your Facebook fan page profile, right? How to make your fan page profile, make your fan page profile as a lead magnet, right? Many people may not be aware that the fan page profile is very important. To get you a lot of lead, right? So this is actually a tutorial how you can actually use a Facebook profile for more prospect, right? So this is very exclusive for me, right? And this is actually a really right fit for this Tantam Social. Since you are going to use this Facebook app to actually to get a lot of targeted traffic, you may just also learn how you can actually enhance your Facebook profile to get more prospect also. This program is also going to double up your traffic, right, and get you more lead and sale at the end. This one is a high converting Facebook app template, right? Okay, this Facebook ad template, right, is exactly is also is like fit for this product, right? Because inside here you'll be getting some Facebook advertisement template, right? We can actually use it inside this app also, right? Okay, when you actually send a post, right, you can actually use this Facebook ad template as a reference, as a template for you, because this is all high converting Facebook ad template. We can actually make use of this, right? Also, I'm also giving you two cloud app. Which one is a video creation cloud app to get you more traffic and sales? It's called VidSpark. It's a cloud app, right? You can create video and also you can actually use it to upload to the YouTube to get a lot of free traffic and also a buyer. Okay. OutReachr is another traffic app. It gets you more lead and sales with automated wallet quiz surveys with the bot. This is again also to help you to get more traffic. So all these models is something I have handpicked for you to help you to triple or double up and the traffic on top of what this 10 social app is able to give you, right? It's going to get you a lot of free traffic here. So the last one is 200 special bonuses here, right? So these are exclusive bonuses consisting of 200 plus make money online video course. This make money online video course, it's not actually make money online video course from top marketer like Jono Armstrong, planners, and all this is their previous product. We have been sold thousands of copies, right? Again, also there are some software app plugin tools that come together under this bundle, right? Okay, you can actually go into this page later. Later, I'm going to put a link here so you can preview all the bonuses here. Also, there's a vendor bonuses given also as part of the app here, right? So you are going to get all these bonuses here, right? But all these bonuses are only limited to the first 12 hours, right? Okay, so I hope you can quickly pick up this. Click the link below this video. You are going to come to this review page, right? And click the button inside the review page. You're going to come to this 10xSocial sales page and just do a purchase to the front end, or you may want to get a upgrade for the OTO. Then you're going to get all my bonuses, right? All my bonuses is all really high value bonuses, especially targeted for this 10xSocial. So I hope you get all the insight of what the app 10xSocial can give you in terms of getting you a free targeted Facebook traffic also, right? Again, pick up my bonuses here, right, before they actually be taken away, right? Okay, right. Thank you. Bye.